So I just want to finish off the series of the solar security cameras that I received. Just doing a quick walkthrough. I'm going to show you exactly what the cameras are, where I put them. Just going to go through them one more time. These are 2K quality QHD home security system. There's 4 cameras in the kit with 166 degrees ultra wide vision. Forever power supply, which is fantastic. Spotlight camera, 32 gigs of onboard storage that's in your home. Fantastic. No monthly fees at all. You can see up to 4 different views. You get an idea of how they look. So the sun powers them all day. They run day and night. You never have to change the batteries. These are fantastic. So I'm going to go over this video with you and just show you. This is the last video in the series. I'm going to show you where I hooked them up. I'm going to show you some of the footage that I captured. And I definitely highly recommend these security cameras. 100% wire-free surveillance. You don't have to worry about wiring anything. Once you set it up, you're good to go. Really super simple. That 32 gig memory is really super important. It works fantastic. And that wide point of 166 view angle is really super important as well. It has all kinds of features and benefits. So definitely look online, do the research. You can see there's so many things, way many things I can go over with you in this quick video. But I just want to show you, it has security lights go off. There's sounds. It'll tell the intruders to run away. It'll tell like get away. Different things. There's just so many different options. All right, let's get to the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's go.
Okay guys, welcome back to your review channel. So today I'm doing the last test. It's been about a week now. I've had these cameras up and running, and I just want to show you where they're located. I hooked up all 4 of these cameras. I put 3 outside and 1 in my garage so I can check out my garage settings. So I put 1 up here, as you can see here, and there's 1 in the corner right here. There's 1 in the corner. Then I have 1 in the other corner over here, as you can see. And I do have the solar panels over here set up, and these solar panels do have to be raised a little bit higher because the angle of the sun is very low here in this side of the home. So I have to raise those up higher to get to the top of the sash, just to get better coverage of sun throughout the morning. And that should be enough. I need about 2 hours to charge these cameras fully, and they've been working fine between 80 and 100% all the time. No issues whatsoever, so that's a great thing. I love the way they look. And I went pretty high in these, so you can go as high as you want. The only issue is they do have a limitation with the angle, so they only can pitch down so far. I wish they would fix that. I think they did a little bit more, so if you want a lower angle, you can have it lower. So you can't go too high because then the angle gets pitched very high. You really can't have like a good 45 down. And that's the only complaint they had with these, but other than that, the quality is fantastic. Battery life is good. They have audio, they have sound. You can hear everything. You can have lights, just really, and the quality is awesome. And I'll show you some samples of that in a minute. Just stay tuned. But everything works really well. Just want to show you the ones I have set up here. Here's the other camera, and I'll show you the other camera set up in the back. And then I'll also show you in the garage as well. Again, high quality, 2K coverage with 2K camera, which is fantastic, super bright, and they work great. So let me just show you the other one here in the back. And here is the other camera on the deck here. The other video I showed you. Here it is. And that one's working fine. It's perfectly charging, no issues whatsoever. Just works perfectly. So that's good. That camera is working well. Gives me good coverage and a good angle. And I'll show you all the angles in a minute. I'll show you some footage of the actual cameras live. So I have 3 out here, as you saw, and 1 in the garage. And I'll show you that in a minute. So that's what I have here. And so far, so good. I'll go over some of the settings in the app. And we'll go over all that. I'll do some footage, show you that in a minute. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying the videos. I appreciate that. And appreciate all your time. Hope you're enjoying this. This is definitely a nice quality. You never have to charge it. It's maintenance free. Once you set it up and get it going, it's good to go. It'll charge itself all day and then run all night, whatever you need. It has night vision. It has a light, sirens, voice, night vision, just everything. Everything you want. So fantastic. So I love it. Great quality. And there's definitely a link down below if you're interested in the camera. I'll show you the app real quick here outside. I just want to show you a couple things here. So you can do grid, which is multi-camera, which is cool. So you can see here, you got multi-cameras here. You got 4 different cameras. There's my car inside in the garage. You can see that. There's a camera inside. And that's powered with a plug-in to USB-C. It's plugged into an outlet, and that's always charging. So that's in there, which I like that. That way I know if my garage is open or closed. That's what that's for. And also if the car's in there, if there's anything going on, that's important. I already have another camera in front of the house, which is a different camera, which I'll leave that alone. But this is what I use these 4 cameras for. There's the back deck, as you can see. There's the car. Here is the side where I was a minute ago, and that's the back corner, as you can see here. So you can do this grid here. You can do this grid here, 4. You can turn the phone sideways, and you can get 4 full boxes, as you can see here. So you can get immediate access and see what's going on with all 4 cameras, which is fantastic. I love it. Also, you can go back You can set up the settings. You can set up all the different, there's so many different settings in this. I can't go through it all. It's just a million settings, but there's just really just go through each one, because each camera has exact same settings. You can adjust the actual sensitivity, zones, animals, no animals, just motion, all kinds of stuff. So you go through each one of those, and the settings are super easy. Just go in the settings. It tells you motion, very easy to use. There's notification. You can hear that. Hopefully you heard that notification. They got a signal, which is cool. So it gives you all the information. You can set up all that sensitivity, and that's really super nice. You can see here, I'll give you an example here, which I love that. That's good. That's working. And then you can go to, so let's go here, and then we'll go to record, basically here, and you can see, there I am, talking. See? So that's cool, right? So that records that on the onboard 32 gig storage. You don't have to worry about cloud storage. I love that. Again, has everything you need, soup to nuts. It just works fantastic. An absolutely amazing app. I love the once you learn the sensitivity, like I said, I have to adjust those other solar panels. Other than that, I think I'm good to go. Tells you when it's charging. So when the sun comes up, you'll see charging. So you see this one here on the car one. It says it's plugged in, right? It's charging. Shut off the motion because I go in the garage and all the time. So I shut the motion off in the garage. I don't really need that. I'm really looking for video, not so much motion, because I have an automatic garage door opener that I can control with an app, and I want to make sure the garage door is closed. Sometimes I don't trust that. So that's the reason why I put it there. And then as the sun rises, and oh, that's good, very sensitive. As the sun rises, it'll just start showing a plus sign for charging, and that's pretty much how it works. This one here is at 77%. I didn't fully charge it when I put it up. It was at 50%, and a couple of days it's been charging. This discharges a little bit at nighttime, but then backs up again during the day. So this will hit 100% by the end of the day, depending on the sun. Again, those do have to be raised to get maximum sun. The rest of them at 100%, as you can see here, and I absolutely love it. All right, so that's what I have here. I just want to give you a quick brief update. These cameras are absolutely awesome. Again, 2K quality, fantastic. I'm going to show you some footage in a second, and appreciate your time. All right, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the videos. I really appreciate your time as always, and let's go.
So here's some actual footage of somebody walking in behind my unit today. I got an alert, so I saw that. So I got a quick snapshot of that. I know who the person is, so that was cool. So I didn't realize he was there then, but then I saw the photo and the video, and then I knew right away. That's really cool. Here's a picture of me right here, just looking at my camera. You can see the quality. It's super sharp, super clear. You can see the HD quality. You can pinch to zoom. You can take a snapshot. You can take a photo. You can download it to your camera roll. There's so much you can do when you want to save this, and just, if you have something to do, definitely the way to go. You can see the steam coming off the pipe. It's just really kind of cool that you can go back and take a look at this footage. It saves it until you want to delete it, which is really nice. And it holds 32 gigs of storage. That's a lot of footage, guys. As you can see me here just taking some video, just walking around, and the camera's just recording me. So I just wanted to just get to see the quality. Just fantastic. High quality stuff. Definitely highly recommend this, guys, 100%. If you're looking for a good quality security camera system, I think this is the one for you. I've been happy with it so far. I'm going to keep this one. This is a nice one. I love it a lot. They did send it to me to do a review on, just to be transparent and honest, and I am. If you do go ahead and purchase it, it's just a small commission I do get. Cost you nothing at all. The link will be in the description, then the bottom, at the end of the video as well, and everything else in between, as you all know. I appreciate all your time. I hope it brought you some value. If I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the channel, and I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. I love what I do, and I hope I bring you some value and education. I appreciate your time as always.